Morning, Facebook. This is Walter Lundy with www.regionalitservices.com. I'm just going to plug my site and our services real quick as my schedule got thrown off today. I wasn't able to take any appointments this morning as I got to go downtown to court. I had to stop real quick before I got there at one of our little local places here that a lot of people eat at here in Dallas, South Fuel City. I stopped and got some elotes. Those of y'all may not be familiar with it. If you're in Dallas, I know you are. But it's a little Parmesan cheese, corn, mayo, lemon pepper. Basically corn seasoned. But anyways, I stopped here real quick before I go to court. I got a seatbelt ticket the other day. Officer stopped me, said I wasn't wearing my seatbelt, which I was wearing my seatbelt. If any of you familiar with these modern vehicles, you know that it's nearly impossible to drive them without a seatbelt because they ding the whole time, which my vehicle does as well. So I knew I was wearing my seatbelt. When he came up to the car, I actually just took my seatbelt off to reach in my pocket to get my wallet. So I'm going to head downtown Dallas here in a second to stop and get my elotes real quick. I'm going to head to downtown Dallas so y'all can see right behind me. I don't know, can y'all see downtown Dallas behind me? There you go. Y'all can see the reunion ball right there. But if y'all got that brand idea that you want to register, make sure you do it via our website, www.regionalitservices.com. But I'm going to have to go downtown Dallas here, if you can see it here in the background here in a few minutes, to set up a court date to dispute the seatbelt ticket that I got, which sucks because I know I was wearing my seatbelt and I actually asked the officer to review the tape, and he was seated. I had my seatbelt on. He said he doesn't look back at the tape. I asked him, if you're a man of your word, then what is it going to hurt to look at the tape? Anyways, it still didn't convince him to go back and look at the tape, and it still didn't stop him from writing me a ticket. So I'm going to have to go down here and dispute it. But what sucks is it's going to cost me. It cost me the early part of my day, and being self-employed, I wear all the hats. So the time that I'm wasting here is time that I'm not spending doing something else. And then after I set the court date, I'm still going to have to spend another day to come down to the court date. And the officer may show or may not show up to the court. And if he doesn't show, then the ticket will be dismissed. But I'm still down 2 work days, for not wearing a seatbelt, which I know that I was. But anyways, I stopped here to show y'all that after I mixed everything up. That's a little corn, hot sauce, mayo, Parmesan cheese. Good. Hot as well. But I want to remind y'all to protect your brand by registering your .com. If you got an idea, just like them, they sell elotes. Fuel City. You could be whatever your brand is. You could put that on a website, put that online, and be able to take orders off of that website in less than half an hour. You cannot call yourself a businessman or businesswoman if you can't take online transactions in this day and age. And I got some people that are still old school, and they don't understand, the value of having a website that can take online transactions, or the value of protecting their brand by registering their domain, which is what I'm trying to plug and which is what I'm trying to push you guys and gals to do. If you got a brand or an idea, protect it. Go to our website, www.regionalitservices.com, and register your domain. This is good, though. I promise you, every time you come here, it is busy. The taco stand back there, too, is always busy as well, too. And this place is known for its tacos as well. And there's been a little hole in the wall stop. Well, not really a hole in the wall. It's a gas station, but been a gas station, for gas station tacos and elotes. This place stays busy. So if you come around here at noon, it'll be a line around the corner. Anyways, let me head over to my court date. Well, I got to go up there, and which sucks. I wish I could just do it over the phone, but no, in Dallas, you must come in to dispute a ticket in order to set a court date. So I'm wasting half of my day down here in court. I do have some appointments scheduled for later on today, but I wasn't able to accept any appointments for this morning. Anyways, make sure you protect your brand, register your idea, visit our website, and get that started, make that dream a reality, as well as other services that we have to offer. While you're on our website, take a look at all the variety of professional IT technology assistance services that we offer. Anyways, thank y'all, and I'll talk to y'all later after my court date. Love, peace, and I appreciate all the support. If you're not following the site on social media, make sure you do so. Regional IT Services. You can find us on all social media under the same name. Make sure y'all support. Appreciate the love. www.regionalitservices.com is the website.